Welcome back. It's been up and running for a while now. A free legal clinic at the Center for Seniors Information on the North Shore. Here to talk about it today, and sitting next to me, we have Ted Murray, who is supervising the clinic, and Kristen Strilchuk, who is a student clinician. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having us.
Yeah. So where did the thought process come from to start a free legal clinic, and how does it work, Ted? Maybe we'll start with you.
Well, the idea for free legal clinic, it's most of the, if not all, the law schools in Canada have a program of this nature, and so Professor Ruby DeHond, who I work with on this project, she did a good amount of research into these sorts of things and developed sort of an operational plan. We received a pilot project grant from the Law Foundation of British Columbia last year, which allowed us to open the clinic in February, and we're hoping to be able to expand it further in the near future.
Okay, so Kristen, you are one of the law students. You're in your third year.
Correct, yeah.
How's school going?
Good. Yeah, really good. Last year, so
it's the last year?
Yeah.
Good. So you are one of the legal consultants that people can sit down with and talk to. Yeah. Who are you seeing come through the doors, and is it busy?
Yeah, it's definitely busy. Right now we see a lot of seniors and people in that, just because we work at the Center for Seniors Information, and so most of our clients are right now originating from there, but we do lots of residential tenancy as well. And yeah, it's been really busy. It's been great.
What kind of things are they coming to you for, though? What are they asking about? What kind of legal questions do they have?
Again, lots of it's around residential tenancy issues.
Yes.
We help substantively with that area. But also, we do lots of wills and powers of attorney and representation agreements and things like that, too.
Okay. And would you say it's super busy? Like, you can drop in 6 to 9 Mondays. You can make appointments the other days of the week. How busy is it?
It's been quite busy. I found in the summer, some of my students, they're taking it as a 3-credit class, so it should be sort of like 10 hours a week of work. And I found some of the students were putting in about 25 hours a week.
So it's busy.
So that's why we went from 6 students to 8 students this semester, so I could spread the work out over more of my students.
Okay. If it stays this busy, would you guys open it up a little bit more, or what was the thought?
Well, we're hoping we've applied for additional funding for the program, and the hope is that if we do get increased funding for next year, the hope is that we'll be able to open the clinic on a more full-time basis and also have multiple supervising lawyers, and that would increase our capacity to represent clients in court and in front of different tribunals.
Oh, really? So it won't just be a clinic. They'll actually go to court and help, like stand by them and help them with things.
Yeah, in the long term, a lot of the other legal clinics are able to do those sorts of things.
Right. And I imagine this is good practice for them. If, you know, you're in your third year, for you, Kristen, it's a good opportunity for you to sort of feel like this is how it's going to be in the real world.
Yeah, it's definitely great hands-on experience, something you don't learn in the classroom. And yeah, I think it's a little taste of what we'll be doing full-time when we graduate. So,
okay, awesome. Ted, for people wanting to know, is it for anyone, or is it just for seniors? How does that work?
It's generally for low-income clients, and so obviously most seniors are going to sort of fall within our criteria if they're just on their pension. But we're able to help. We're able to represent low-income clients. Generally, what we do try to do, though, is even if somebody doesn't qualify as a low-income client, which is the basis on which we're funded, we try to provide anybody that comes to the clinic with some summary advice with regard to their legal issue to help point them in the right direction.
Okay. So how does it work? You get there, it's a drop-in, you sit down, you take a number, you wait until somebody's available, or how does that go?
Yeah, usually if it's a drop-in on Monday, I have 3 students there, so if we had multiple people drop in at the same time, we'd sort of, my receptionist would ask sort of what the legal issue is, and she'd come grab me, and I'd sort of figure out which of the students was available to help with it. And we usually try to, because they are law students, we generally try not to give the advice the day of. We try to have the students take in as much information as they can, and then we give the advice in writing at a later date.
That's awesome. It's a great opportunity. Everybody wins. You guys are getting experience. People who can't afford, you know, a lawyer. Lawyers are pricey. They can get some free information, so that's great as well. Center for Seniors Information is where exactly, so people know?
It's in the Brocklehurst Shopping Centre at 1800 Tranquil Road. So we share the activity center with our partners at the Center for Seniors Information, and we have our own little office suite in their center. Awesome.
Okay, well, I congratulate you guys for doing this. This is awesome. Congratulations on almost being finished law school.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anything else you'd like to add, Ted, that I haven't asked you?
No, I would just encourage people that have legal issues to come out to the clinic. We, especially with housing issues, and we are able to do powers of attorney and representation agreements and simple wills where estates are less than $25,000.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Information is on the screen if you have more information. But yes, 6 to 9 p.m. on Mondays is drop-in. So that's tonight. If you've got questions, you could head down there. As well, there is a phone number on the screen if you'd like to take that down as well. We're back with your travel deals in 2 minutes. Stay with us.